We have just learned, as we were showing you Christie's report, that Nigeria has now confirmed
Hey Dembe,
its first case
can I speak to Ray?
coronavirus.
I'm not yours.
It's Elizabeth.
You are
The virus
mine.
is on.
Leeds.
Hey Red,
Nigeria has just.
we need your help
confirmed
at the
its
post
first case.
office.
Reddington. This is the man eyewitnesses identify as Psao Babs.
The attack happened 3 hours ago at the main metro.
It appears someone came up with a plan to spread the coronavirus across the world, using it as a bioweapon to cripple the world economy for their sake. A virus was needed, and the COVID-19 was created. I know one man capable of creating a virus of this magnitude, and also the antidote. You're looking for a man called the PANDEMIST.
The Pandemist.
Yes, the PANDEMIST is the next name on your blacklist. He's a notorious scientist, part of a larger group in Asia, wanted for several war crimes, especially creation of bioweapons. And wherever he goes, people die.
Oh, and have you ever had Nigerian jollof? I spent a summer in Lagos once that put the dodo and chicken on it. Oh, the crumble was delightful. It's incredible.
The Pandemist.
We have no leads.
You're thinking like the FBI, Lizzie. Think like a criminal.
How do we find him?
You don't. If I get anything, I'll send you the coordinates. But you might want to check on the professor of infectious diseases at the Central University. Find him. He might have some information about the PANDEMIST. Now, if you may excuse me.
Wrestler, Kane, release photos to the Bureau and local PD. See if we can get a match. I want to know if he's been arrested, charged, and who he is.
Thanks for the tea. It's a die for.
Aram, Nabedi, take a team to the university and find out what the professor knows. We need to know why the scientists released the COVID-19 virus and who he works for before anyone else gets infected. Agent King, a word.
Dembe, call Edward and tell him to get the jet ready. It's time we pay an old friend a visit. We need to be wheels up in joint. We're going to Wuhan.